I love cookies. Don't you? Welcome again to STEM Part. My name is Cindy and I like to be referred to as the Ed Innovator. So today we are doing a STEM activity. Well, not exactly a STEM activity, but I'm going to show you how to engage your preschoolers with a lovely STEM activity that would infuse the academic disciplines that constitute STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So this will be a very, very engaging preschool STEM activity, especially for those that are transiting from the preschool into the primary. So in this activity, we will call it the Pastry Chef STEM activity. First of all, you want to be able to introduce to your students what pastries are, and then you want to give an introduction. This is an example. Meet Burkett. Burkett is a pastry chef. Pastry chefs are people who make baked goods. Baked goods are foods that are made from dough or batter. Today you imagine you're a pastry chef who is looking at how many gingerbread cookies who sold this week. On the next page, you use the graph to answer the question. So a way to actually make this STEM activity interesting is to actually have your students bake the pastries, and then you are showing them what happens when you actually apply heat to mixtures and how it metamorphoses into a solid, what happens when it's exposed to heat and all that. It's a very good way to explore science. And then after that aspect, you move into the mathematics, the technology, the engineering aspects. What do? Let me show you this. So at this point, the students have baked, and the next thing they want to do is answer the questions in the graph. We are infusing mathematics. Now, the kids now have the cookies and they are learning maths with it. And then you show them a pictograph and explain what the pictograph does, how you can use it to represent numbers and do statistics. And what day did you sell the most gingerbread cookies? And then they look at the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and they go ahead to select the day that has the most cookies. On what day did you sell the least amount of gingerbread cookies? And then they go ahead to identify the day and then count the least amounts. How many more gingerbread cookies did you sell on Monday than on Tuesday? And what are they doing here? They're of course going to count Monday cookies, count Tuesday cookies, and do a subtraction. And then how many gingerbread cookies did you sell on Thursday? And then they count the number of cookies. Interesting, right? Now they are also creating patterns. Here they are learning how to understand not just shapes and colors, but also patterns, which is very critical for them in engineering. Here they are boosting their engineering skills, and they are going to answer the questions according to what cookie shapes they see, and they're able to understand what it means to actually be creative. Finally, you can have them actually create patterns from the cookies they baked. You can have them also drag the shapes, theoretically on paper, and they are able to make different patterns. Here, it would help them boost their engineering skills. I love that this activity is so engaging. So there you have it. A very simple way to teach them in the preschool class. Infuse engineering, mathematics, technology, and science. And guess what? Your kids will have fun doing it too. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or just subscribe. Thank you. Bye.